Hey guys, unfortunately football didn't make it home last week, but we did, and we're back here today at Hyper Japan. So let's check out what wonderful anime things there is to do here today at Hyper Japan. So I got some of these. A questionnaire, I can get apparently some free snacks. So now I get to pay for a prize. See what I'm going to get a prize. Oh, no. These are some of the stuff you can win. Also they do have a nice display. Yeah, it's actually really nice. I think that was what I had. Yeah, if you do see these, do make sure. Somehow Nissa Sanji are here and they pre-recorded it because they don't want any drama. One really cool thing they have here are these Ishikaras. I'll take a look at them now. So they got a Miku one. Really cool. Sorry about a spoiler, I should have warned that there's a spoiler. They got this absolutely lovely Ina car. Like this, look at that Ina car. We got the inside, we got the Ina on the front. And here's the cool thing they even got. It's called the Ina reference. If you know Ina, you're going to get the reference. So here at the front. There's Ina again in her casual outfit and her slippers. And here's the Ina spoiler. And look, even Babe is hiding. Oh cool, there's even like information explaining about Ina. I love that, it's so funny. Previous life, new life. Of course that is the Baka Isha. We go to a lot of events. So yeah, the cool thing is you can actually build a free Gundam kit or... So they're offering that here for free. If you build it here at the table, they'll give you a free model kit. I haven't made any of the anime ones yet, I've done a load of the Gundams. So I'm trying this Goku one out. And there we are, I have completed building Goku. Pretty cool for 3D. In fact, if you build it, you get it for free. Build it here at the table. Yeah. Oh, nice.
What we call RTD.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That is. Oh. That's really good. That's some really good stuff. So I'm gonna go and check Stary Mart. Since it's an Asian supermarket, I'm gonna see if they got those Hololive. I know they don't have the Hololive snacks because they're only a limited thing. But damn, on the Holo side. Let's see what sort of stuff is here. Oh, they actually do have some crisps from Japan. I think I'm going to try some of these Pokemon ones. And they got Doraemon one as well. Got a lot of these pop vinyl figures. They even got the Spy Family ones. Bandai did. Oh wow, they even got the CDs of what you can mean. These little card sweet things they do. Oh god, they even got art. They even got the sweet section. Do they have any Hololive collab stuff? No. Isn't a true conveni, because every conveni seems to freaking have a collab with Hololive. Oh, they got short man. They even have the Pokemon curry here. You can eat Pikachu and Eevee. Oh, the second it was those like little cake things. And this is really cool. There's actually one of these opening up in London, in Fulham. They even gave me a free fan, which is useful because I generally need a fan right now. They got more. I mean, this is giving out free stuff or more snack stuff. A lot of snack stuff this year's Hyper Japan. Seems to be the snack here. Oh, I see. So, oh wow. Oh, nice. This is probably like the best store because they literally have free samples of everything they sell. These are all of the Japan, the Meiji stuff. They do some really nice stuff. Definitely strongly recommend. Let's see how this guy, hello! Look at that, look at that. I love that costume, that's so cool. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's coming towards me, Okay, I have just found the coolest keychain ever. And I got Lizzie, and she even has an Elizabeth line sign. That is so cool. Bandai here, we do have some gachapons today. Let's see what gachapons. I mean, these are mostly the One Piece ones. I mean, they all are One Piece. They got the Tamagotchi One Piece ones. This is just mostly a One Piece store today. I think it's mostly for the card game. Of course, there is a few card game stores in this country now. I'm guessing these are for the new sets. They have some One Piece stuff to sell. Cool. Right. Here is Bushiroad's store. I don't think they're doing any Hololive stuff here, which is a shame. Now, I do know there's a Hololive card game. I think it's been made by them. Always. Let's see what we got. We got Ruby, and Chocolate, Bunny Girl Senpai. No, looks like we've not got any Hololive today. We've got Charlotte Blade Red Eyes. That takes you back. Showing you all your card fight vanguards when they aired. Can't believe there's that much, this much. I mean, there's more card fight vanguard anime than there is Yu-Gi-Oh anime. Like, I think Yu-Gi-Oh anime is finished now. Oh cool, they got the card fight vanguard game. And then over here, they have a slight little stage and you can watch people play cards, I think, and you can play cards. I haven't seen this then. This is cool, they got a really cool stone skate cut out. We've got lots of parts. This is really, the art in stone skate is so good. It's cool to see stuff like this. So this is a cool little area. It's for Kawaii Productions. They're a VTuber agency. They are pretty new, or not pretty new, I think they're not as well known, but they have a load of stuff on display. And they actually have a live stream going on. I think they're putting me on the live stream.
I don't remember what I did the last time. Hi, hello!
Hello.
Oh my god, I love your shirt.
Hey.
Hello!
Hey.
Hi, are you having a good time?
Yes, I am.
Yes! Oh my god. I keep going back to look at your shirt.
Yeah, Gura.
Is Gura your favorite?
Yeah, one of my favorites.
Oh! Yeah, I like Gura too. You're so
Yeah.
cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Are you also live streaming by any chance?
I'm not live streaming. I'm just vlogging at the moment. I vlog for a channel called Anime in UK.
Oh.
Yeah, so we go to like anime events and stuff. Like last week, I went to Japan Expo to see the HoloLive stuff. So yeah, a little bit. Normally we just do the UK, but as it was HoloLive, we went over to France to do it.
Oh.
So yeah, this is the second. So this is like the third time I've come over here today. I've spoken to some of your friends.
Yeah, you see us every.
Yeah.
I think there's a new one every hour.
Yeah. I've been trying to come.
Yeah.
I've been trying to like pop over and say hi.
Yeah, I just got on.
Yeah. No, I just seen you just get on. I was like, hey, look, and someone new. I'll come and say hello.
Yeah.
I was like vlogging the store. And then I was like, oh, cool. I'll come over and let you say hello to whoever's on at the moment. I know you guys got a concert on tomorrow, don't you?
Yes. We actually have a free one.
Yeah.
It's by one of my senpais. Yeah. That's coming up.
Yeah, I definitely will be there tomorrow. I'm only here today and tomorrow, so yeah.
And I hope you go check it out.
Yeah, no, really looking forward to it. Really looking forward to it.
Yeah.
I will say you have a nice Luffy cosplay. I just spotted it. Yeah.
Actually, I don't know what time I'll be on, but I will also be singing on the main stage. It might be Sunday though.
Oh, maybe Sunday. Oh, if I miss it, say I got work on Sunday, so we gotta pay it off. But yeah, no. It's a really cool store. Actually, this is a really good idea. Whoever's come up with this, like it's been nice to chat. Like I said, this is the third person to come over to chat to. And saying it's just nice getting it for the vlog and stuff. And no, really cool. I hope more people in the UK check out Production Kawaii. These seem like some really cool girls. So, of course, I can see chat. Hello, chat. Thanks for the nice shirt. Hello. I think some of them have raided me. That'll be interesting when I get home to find out. But I was saying, I was saying really wonderful time.
So look, they're saying hi to you.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. So nice chat. You have a really wonderful chat. You should be really proud of your chat.
Well, I hope you're having a good time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, tired. I have been non-stop this week. I'm sorry. I come back from France. I had to rush back to watch the football. It was all like the whole thing. But yeah, it was an experience. It was an experience. Definitely was an experience. I'm running out of things to say. No. Right, I think I'm going to be off wandering around the con, but I will try and say hello again at some other time. So someone else. It's been really lovely. Lovely meeting you. And guys, if you're watching on the vlog, make sure to check this wonderful person out. Make sure she's epic. Yes, there she is. Thank you. Bye. So here we are at the food section. I got to decide what treat am I going to get myself. Bubble tea line is pretty big. This is about 5 o'clock, so a lot of people I think who wanted food have gone home. I am thinking of getting one of the sets, or just get a load of teriyaki. Well, I think I'm going to get a load of teriyaki. I just feel like teriyaki right now. Steak. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. I think we're going to get... We've got some buns. They look nice. The buns look good. The buns look nice. Yeah, I think I know what I'm going with. I think I am going with Squid Games teriyaki. Oh, lovely jubbly. Oh, looking forward to eating these bad boys. So I'm heading out. So what did I think? Actually a really good Hyper Japan. A lot of really cool, neat little things. Of course not as big as Japan Expo, but of course Japan Expo is like the biggest anime con in all of Europe. But this was actually a really sort of nice side thing. Oh wow, it's like another free thing. Gave me this for just doing a survey. I don't even know what it is, but thanks Hyper Japan. Yeah, wow, it's odd to think this was like just a couple of weeks ago. We were making the same walk. Form a disappointing con. I'd say that was not a disappointing con. That was actually a very good con. Looking forward to coming back tomorrow. Definitely there'll be a full vlog, maybe a few bits and bobs of some of the performances tomorrow. But yeah, really lovely time, really lovely con. If you don't come to this con, I strongly recommend it if you like this sort of thing. I'd definitely say it's one of the best in the country. Not probably the best, but I mean for getting the most stuff it's the best. But yeah, really good con. So yeah, hopefully we will still have some stuff coming up. We've still got some of that Japan Expo stuff to go. Looking at Anime UK, we take a British look at the world of anime. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you want to see more anime adventures.